Hi guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I'm here to do a little show and tell and walkthrough of the Anna Griffin wallet card making kit. I do have the die and I'm going to work on the die later tonight and figure out all the ups and downs with that, and I'll make a video. But okay, let me show you what I made. Well, let me show you the card making kit. It is called Anna Griffin Wallet Card Making Kit. Yeah. And here's the instructions. It's very easy. Guys, this was the funnest kit that I've made. Let me put this here to get rid of that glare. That mat's always been my little lifesaver. But I have everything on my working table. So that helps, I think. Gets away with the glare. I like using a glass mat because when I'm using tape, this one's purple. I don't know if it's showing up purple, but when I'm using tape, I can use a wipey and get rid of it much easier. So anyway, so here are all the wallets and the different colors. If you didn't get this kit, I would recommend it. You make 20. It's like half and half, girl and boy. And it's just so nice to have men wallets. But this was the funnest, quickest, easiest kit that she's produced. Let me go to my controls and take off autofocus. There we go. Okay, so let me show you 3 I've made, and then I have 1 almost ready. So this is birthday. And I layered and pop dotted and different stuff. And then I put a couple of pieces here. I didn't tape all the way to the back end because I didn't want it to stick to here. And then it says free hugs. And I carry your heart with me. I carry you in my heart. Let me see, that one goes back there. This says birthday. This is where your driver's license would go, and that would be really cute if you put a picture of you and the person you're sending this to. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. So here's one I've made. Here is one Father's Day that I made for Johnny. And it says Happy Father's Day. And I raised this part and had that flat. But I am using the pop dots that came in the kit because it does help and make it. And this is IOU, and I'm going to put a dinner. And then wishing you the very best of everything today, tomorrow, every day, and then some. And then this says, just a token of my love for you. But I'm going to put a picture of me and Johnny in there. So there's one. And then I made a girl one. And this one is hoping you have the best day ever. So I didn't know if this should be birthday or whatever's going on. So I left it like that. And then there's the different things. You are priceless. So I think this is just so cute. So let's make one because I only found one thing that you have to really pay attention to. And everything. Got tape stuck to this. I try to look at everything that comes with the kit because if you keep it in a big stack, you don't see. So I try to organize it and say, okay, let me use one of this, one of this. And I also kind of try to count how many pieces. Like this only came with 10 pieces, so I can only use it on half the cards. So mental note. And these, if you don't like any of the sayings, you can stamp your own little saying on those or stamp something even more. So what you really need to do is burnish all her pre-scored lines. And you really need to do that because it makes a big difference. And you also need to use the best glue you can because it's folding. These are folding right on those crease lines, and I see that you just need really good glue. I'm using double-sided tape, I would use wet glue, but for the video purposes, I'm only using glue. So what you do is the small pocket needs to go down first, and you need to push it before you lay this piece that's got the tape on it here. You need to push it down all the way, so you don't get a bubble, because on the first one I made, can you see that bubble gap right there? Because I didn't push it all the way down, and I see just a hair edge. But I'm giving this to Johnny and he'll never know. So then you take the tape off all the surrounding pieces. I think there's 3 more pieces of tape right here, and then lay this one down, and I'll show you what I mean. So I start on the small end, and we're going to lay that down, and we're going to burnish all this once we have the glue down, and burnish that. Well, that one didn't have a piece. It was up here, so I'm rubbing on nothing. Burnish this one. Okay, I have the glue ready, and I have it tucked under, but I'm pushing. See how I'm pushing it to the edge? You know how when you square up a piece of paper that you fold in half? So see the difference? Okay, and then when you close it, it wants to come back at you. And so that's when you go back and re-burnish that down. Okay, so this is going to be Father's Day for my dad, so I have My Love for You is free of charge. I wonder if I have a picture of me and him together. I don't know. I'll have to look and see. I'm sure I do. I just don't know where. So this one is the one I said, I carry your heart with me. I carry it in. I carry it. I carry your heart with me. I carry it in my heart. I am never without it. Anywhere I go, you go, my dear. And I'm going to put that in there. I don't know. That's a little sappy. I may have to change that. I don't know. I don't have another one stuck in here. So let's see. I like this. How about the free hug? Let's put that in there for him. Let's see. Why is it not wanting to sit all the way down? There we go. Okay, so let's decorate the front before we decorate the thing. So we know it's Father's Day, so let me put tape on that, and I'm going to have it flat. And see how the one edge doesn't have the decorative edge? See how that's got green on this side? Let's see if you can see it. It's got green here and not here. So this is going to be butted up to the edge of this card. Okay, I like that. My dad collects coins, so I have a coin here, and it's already on pop dots, so I'm going to add that. Let's see. Hi, Levy. Is it an emergency? I'm making a video. I'll call you in 5. Bye. Love you. Bye. Johnny's at the property working, and if he calls me, you never know if something's going on. Let's see. That blue and green. Do I want blue and green on that? I don't know if I like that. Do I raise this and pop dot this up? See, I've never done a in progress because it takes me a minute to think about these things. Or do I just get a different type of coin because he collects coins and enjoy coins? I want something a little different. I'm going to put that there. So we go off to the edge. I don't want to get tape. My pokey thing just fell. So I'm going to put it at an angle just to have it look better. Okay, I may add something to that, but I don't want to take your time. So let's go inside and let's do, maybe put it here, or you could put it, you could glue it to right here on two sides like that and give it a little different, or right here. I think I'm going to have it right here, and since you want this to not have raised pop dots because you want to be able to close it, so let's put this right here, and maybe that. So it's whatever you choose and however you want to decorate and how many pieces you want to put with it. So there you go, guys. There's my dad's. I'm going to keep that in there. And then I have the other ones that I made. But they are just so cute and so fun. But I like that it's some parts are raised and some aren't. So isn't that fun to make and everything? And I'm going to do the die. The die one I did buy. And so, why is that showing in the back? Let me see what's going on here. It's not wanting to sit down on there. It's showing just a little. So I may take that and trim with my trimmer, or figure out what's going on in there. It's snagging on something. So I am going to work with the die ones, but I'm going to use Christmas paper and I'm going to use birthday paper, and so we're going to change it up when I use the die, when I use my own paper. So guys, I didn't know I was going to make this video. I have company coming, so I'm kind of rushing to get through this really fast. So ring that bell, subscribe to me and ring the bell so that you know when I'm making a video, because you just never know. All my links are down below. I have Pinterest, I have a Facebook blog, I have a group, Glue Gun Chronicles, where people share in there all their projects and do different stuff. So yeah, come and hang out with me. Love to see you. Have a great day.